Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Dwi Ferbianti. I'm from Headsome class. Today I will discuss my feel first time in TC because I got punishment and I must make video 15 minutes, and after I have made the video, I must send to my LA. My LA is Mr. Rudy and Miss Diandra. Okay, my experience when my experience first time in TC, of course I am very excited because I was able to continue TC program after I studied hard in CTC. I was able to continue TC program, next program, namely TC, and then 1 week ago, last week, 4 week full introduction with Mr. Sally, Mr. B, Mr. Budi, Miss Sevilla, and then I'm so shocked because when I was introduction with Miss Sevilla, suddenly Miss Sevilla said, "Now I will give you paper. We will pretest." And I haven't studied. Yes, of course, bad score. And then on it, my first time I become a TC student, it was Saturday. My first LA is Mr. Yoga, and then he told us, not us, he told my classmate about TC schedule, and then rules TC, and then discuss about TC. And then and then Mr. Budi has ever explained about business project, and then business project, travel exam, and then all of schedule TC. And then my opinion of you is TC is so busy, but I'm sure I can do it. And then I never course in another place. My first course at BC, because when I was vocational high school, in my opinion of you, English is not so crucial, because English, my opinion of you, so boring and complete. I must memorize verb 1, verb 2, and then verb 3, and I don't like English. But when I graduate from vocational high school, I realized that English is so crucial, because I want to be flight attendant, if I want to be a flight attendant, I must be able to speak English. And then I decided to join SBC. Yeah, and then I joined SBC. I study hard in the NCTC, and Alhamdulillah I was able to continue TC program. Sometimes I didn't understand if teacher explain, because maybe because I have a little vocabulary, and then Mr. Rudy said to me that don't worry guys, if you have studied here for 3 months later, you must understand about when your teacher or LA explain. And Mr. B ever said my classmate, you must be diligent to listen podcast, because podcast on the YouTube, because on YouTube, because if you be diligent to listen podcast, you must get many vocabulary. If you have many vocabulary, you must understand if another people speak that like that, guys. My reason got punishment because I'm Kamlet. I must prepare 1 hour before going to BC. No longer. I must come on time. I don't want to get punishment 15 minutes. And in TC program, I get new friend, new teacher, new LA, like that. When I was first time in TC, my feel afraid. I afraid how if I don't understand when teacher explain. It turns out I understand if the teacher explain, it's a bit little, but it's okay. I will improve my skill, and I will search or look for many vocabulary. I must be able to, because I want to be a flight attendant. And then I no longer come late. I will come on time. I don't want to get punishment too. No. Of course, in TC program with CTC is so different. When I was CTC, I just have to listen, just grammar and speaking. But in TC program, I have schedule describing, new concept, and then grammar, speaking. When I was CTC program, every day I always meet two teachers. But in TC program, every day I always meet different teacher. For example, new concept. This week I met with Mr. Lohong, but next week I will meet with Mr. Rozak, and then grammar. If I meet with Miss Sevia this week, I will meet Miss Mom Atun next week, and I always like that. And when I was CTC program, I must memorize new concept once for 1 week. On Monday and Thursday, I'm little happy because in CTC program we need not to memorize because Mr. Luhong asked to my classmate, you needn't to memorize. You must just to detailing that. And yeah, and Miss Sophia has ever said that in TC program just there is three lesson, but I forgot the name lesson. Miss Sophia said we must review again the CTC lesson because in TC program just there is there are three lessons. And then in TC program there are 3 extra classes. The first grammar, Mam Aton. The second pronunciation, and then the third speaking. And I joined to pronunciation. Actually I want to join vocabulary because my opinion of you, if my pronunciation not good, at least I have many vocabulary, but extra class vocabulary was deleted, so I'm so sad. And then I decide to choose pronunciation. Actually I want to choose Mam Atun's class, but I don't like grammar. I don't like it grammar. Yeah, I decide to choose pronunciation. At least if my grammar not good, my pronunciation good. That's why I choose extra class pronunciation. And I hope after I study at BSc, I will find the work. I can to continue for work, and I want to apologize for Mr. Rudy and Miss Diandra because I have come late. I no longer I come late. Sorry, Miss. Sorry, Mr. Rudy and Miss Diandra. That's all for me. Thank you for nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.